Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you an effective strategy that you can use to catch multiple spikes on your boom and crash markets on Deriv. This strategy, I just discovered it some days ago, and since I started using it to trade, the results has been wonderful. So I'll be showing you the system right away, but before I get started, I want to quickly show you our target channel here on YouTube. So friends, I want to ask you to encourage us for the value we are giving you regularly and support us by subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. When you subscribe, also click on the bell notification so that YouTube will alert you whenever we post more videos in future like this. All right. For now, for example, I've decided to publish at least 30 money making videos this year, ranging from derivative trading, forex, crypto, and other money making topics. In fact, I want you to look out for my next video coming this month of February. Now, that video is a secret website where you can get to earn 5,000 naira daily, and this is not referral or affiliate. It's not even trading or crypto. So just do where to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the future opportunities that I'll be sharing on the channel. So now friends, let's return back to the tutorial. Now please make sure to watch all parts of this video. Do not skip any part of the video so you don't miss out on important information. Okay guys, so now I'll just show you a very wonderful strategy that I just discovered, which you can use to catch multiple spikes on your boom and crash. You can see, as you have seen on my screen here now, this is the boom 1000, and you can see that there are a lot of spike on this boom 1000. So this system will allow you to easily know when these spikes are going to occur, which can allow you to take advantage of them and for you to trade and make money with them. So now this system is going to working on the 1 minute time frame as usual. So now this system involves us to use two special indicators. So I'll just be showing you those indicators right away. So if you come under the indicator button here, okay, of course, as you can see now, there are no indicators on my screen here. Then also, if you notice, the background of my screen is white color. So please pay attention to the background of your MT5 platform, because so you don't make a mistake or you don't get confused on the style color that I'll be using. So if you come to this indicator button here, okay, now just click on this main chart. Okay, so now the first indicator that I'll be putting is the indicator called RSI, Relative Strength Index. Okay, now so if you see, okay, because I've been using this quite often, so these are the settings that you will need. So just look at my screen carefully and just use these exact settings that you are seeing here. The period is 14. Now the star, you can see the star 2 peaks there. Then you can see that this 2 peaks there. Then this color here is white because my background, the background of my MT5 platform is white. So please make sure that you use white color if the background of your MT5 is white. All right, so most importantly, the levels here, the RSI levels, is exactly what you are seeing here: 90, 10, 80, 20. So as you can see on the screen, then the star 1 picks there, and then just make sure to do exactly how you see it on my screen. Once you've done with all this, just click on save. All right, so we've added the RSI and look at it on the screen here. Remember, we said 2 levels, so we have 80 and 90 and at the overbought region, and 20, 10 at the oversold region. So now the second indicator we'll be adding that will help us to get this spike catching is this indicator. Okay, but before we do that, now once you come here, once you come to this indicator window, you are not going to add another indicator to the main chart, but this existing indicator window, you just simply click on it. So we're going to insert, or we're going to superimpose the second indicator on the RSI so that the two indicators will display on one window. So please make sure of that. So the second indicator we're adding is this indicator called Ishimoku Kinko Yo. All right, so that is the indicator we are adding, Ishimoku Kinko Yo. You can search it on your MT5 platform, you see it. All right, and these are the parameters that we'll be using. Okay, you see the first one here, the first one, the 10 can sen, just leave it at 5, as you can see on my screen, the Kijun Sen 2, Senko Span B 52. Okay, now the next part here is the style. So the Tenkan Sen 1 pixel, make sure that the color is white, which matches with the white of the background color of my MT5. All right, Kijun Sen also here white. So for this up Kumo, make it 4 pixel, then make this the style to be blue. All right, depending on your own design on your MT5. All right, then the down Kumo 4 pixel as well, then this one also red. Okay, then the Shinku Span 1 pixel and the color, okay, white. Okay, so once you are done with all this, then just click on save. All right guys, so now you can see the two indicators. They are on the indicator 1 window, as you can see here. If you do it correctly, this is how it's going to appear on your own on your MT5 platform. So I'll just go back to my chart here. You can see now this is my chart, guys, and you can see these are the two indicators just at the bottom of my chart here displayed. So this is the Ishimoku that is inside of the ROSI, and I'll just simply explain how this strategy works, guys, for you to see how to use it to catch spike. It's very effective, and since I've been using this to trade, I've been using it to consistently get spikes. Okay guys, so now from what I've discovered about this strategy is that anytime this Ishimoku indicator, which is the one you are seeing here, whenever it's showing this blue, whenever the region inside the Ishimoku is blue color, it means that the market is in a rising position, that the market is in an uptrend. That is for the boom 1000. Remember, we're in the boom 1000 1 minute, so it's in an uptrend. And whenever you get the red color like this in the red zone, like this region here, then it means that the market is in a downtrend. You get, guys, it's in a downtrend. So now this is what I've carefully followed and monitored, and I discovered that this Ishimoku indicator is very accurate. It doesn't repaint. So once the color displays like this, you are certain that the next event is happening in the market. It's not going to change the color again, neither is it going to repaint. Okay guys, so now because we are in the boom 1000 index, whenever the market is in an uptrend, based on what the Ishimoku indicator tells us, that means that we are going to be expecting spikes. We're going to expect 1 minute spikes in the boom 1000 index, because the boom 1000, it makes up spike, you get. So but if it's in a downtrend, like you are seeing here, then it's just going to be the 1 minute candle just forming carefully, as you are seeing here. But what we're after is the spike. We're after the spike that this strategy is going to give us. So whenever you get the blue region, the blue zone of the Ishimoku indicator, just know that the spikes are going to occur. Now, what are we going to use the strategy to do? You can't just enter trades blindly whenever you see the Ishimoku indicator showing blue color. All right, so you are going to wait for the ROSI levels for your confirmation. So once you get your Ishimoku indicator like this, and you notice that it's in the red zone, as you are seeing here, this is the red zone. What simply means is that the market is in the downtrend. All right, so that's what the Ishimoku indicator is telling us. And once the downtrend gets to the oversold region of your ROSI, which is in this 10 to 20 zone of your ROSI, means that it's in the oversold region, meaning that a reversal is likely to occur. So you just have to pay attention at that point, because once the color of the Ishimoku changes to blue, all right, once it changes to blue, as you can see here, then a lot of spikes are going to occur for the boom 1000 index. So remember, for boom 1000, you are going to be buying using this strategy, because we are trying to catch the spikes. So the blue region of the Ishimoku indicator, they are the signal for us to enter buy trades. And from here, you can see from here, guys, all right, you can see there was a spike here, but we were still in the red zone of the Ishimoku indicator. Same with this zone here, we're still in the red zone. All right, okay, if you look at this third spike here, from here like this, you can see that the color of the indicator has changed at this point to blue. So any moment from here, once the color changes, you can then enter your buy trade, because we are just coming from the oversold region. Okay, so now from this region, there are a lot of, once you get your blue region like this, then a lot of spikes are going to occur. So you just simply take your trade from this region, any moment from after this spike here. All right, let's say you miss this spike, any moment from here you can then enter your buy trade, because you are expecting more spikes in the boom 1000. And just look at exactly what happened. Let's say you enter trade here, you can see that a lot of spike occurred. You see there's one spike, this another spike, this another spike, this another spike, you get. And you can keep on using this strategy to cash spikes. And then when is the time to exit? So you can exit when the Ishimoku gets to the overbought region, which is between this 80 and 90. So that is the purpose of the ROSI indicator that we added to the chart. So once your Ishimoku indicator gets to the region of between 80 and 90, then it is the time you can exit the trade for the boom 1000 or boom 500 trades. All right, and you can see, if you continue here, you see that a lot more spikes. Okay, a lot more spikes occurred, and this is just how you can use in cashing spikes on the boom and crash index. Okay, now let me just show you another market of this strategy. Let's check the crash 1000. Okay, so in the crash 1000 is just the opposite of the boom 1000 using this indicator, but it's the same thing. Okay, so now if you notice in the crash 1000, you notice that in the crash 1000 we're going to be taking sell trades, because we are looking for the spike in the downward direction. So we'll take sell trade, and then this is just a perfect example of what I'm saying. Let me just take a trade, and just to show you guys how this works. Okay, so I've just taken a trade. All right, so now guys, you can see this is a strategy. This is how it's very effective. So once you're in the red zone like this, it means that there are a lot of spikes that will be occurring in the crash 1000 index, because we're just coming from the overbought region of the crash 1000. So now a first spike came, you can see look at the first spike. All right, we're in the overbought region. All right, then a second spike occurred, and the Ishimoku just changed its color to red. So this red zone simply means that a lot more spikes are going to occur, and that's the reason why I just took this trade, for you to just see how the practical of this strategy. So I'm going to expect a lot more spikes to occur in this current market. So guys, this is how you use this strategy. If you notice, let me just show you. Let me just show you. Okay guys, look at this region here. Now this is still February 3rd. You see in the crash 1000, it bought and got to this overbought region here, and all of a sudden then a spike occurred. All right, the spike occurred, and then the color changed here. So let's say you were monitoring this market. At this point, you can just quickly enter your sell trade, all right, because you are expecting the spikes to occur any moment from now. And if once you take your trade here, then you can expect more spikes to occur, because look at, let's say you took this trade and you would have gotten this spike. You get this first spike here, you get the second spike here, you get the third one, you get the fourth spike, that's 4 spikes, and then you get this one again, number 5 spike. So one thing you must do is that once you've entered a trade, you don't need to rush to close the trade immediately one spike occurs. You can use this to get like 2 or 3 spikes before closing your trade. Or what you can do is that you can just, oh, perfect guys, you see I've just gotten a spike. You can see what I told you guys exactly. You can see where I entered this trade, and you can see the spike that occurred. So this is just the practical of the strategy. Look at the trade I took. You can see this is my trade. So guys, I hope you guys have seen this, just for you to see that is a working strategy. Okay guys, and make sure that you make sure that you don't close your trade just after one spike occurs, as long as the Ishimoku is still showing the color of the direction that we're expecting. Now if you see, now we're in the red region, red zone of the Ishimoku, meaning that a lot more spikes are still going to occur in this crash 1000. All right, so I'm just going to hold the trade, but because I don't want the video to get so long, so I'll just have to end the video at this point, guys. But I'll keep holding my trade. So guys, I hope you guys have gotten information and you've gotten the value or the way this strategy works. You can see my trade that I just took here. You can see. All right, well, let me just even close it because of time, because of the video. I don't want the video to be too long. I'll just close it. All right, okay. Okay guys, so you can see, but normally you're not supposed to close the trade. Just leave it to catch 2 or 3 more spikes. You can exit the trade probably when your Ishimoku gets towards the oversold region, let's say between this 20 or 10, or if the color changes to blue. So that is just how you do this wonderful strategy, guys. So guys, I hope you've gotten the multiple spike caching strategy of this tutorial using these 2 powerful indicators. And please, I want you to test this strategy and let me know your experience on what you got about this strategy. Just go to the comment section. I love to read your comments. Just go to the comment section and just let me know your experience about this strategy. And please guys, most importantly, please like the video and support us on the channel by subscribing to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that whenever we post future videos like this, YouTube is going to alert you and you just get the juice in the video. So thank you once again for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.